Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to tap on this this settings icon in this upper panel. So let's tap on the languages at the top. And as you can see, in my case, I've got more than one language added. So let me show you how to remove them. So simply tap on this edit icon, mark the languages and tap on remove. Of course, I cannot remove all of the languages, but that's okay. Let's start with adding the keyboard. Let's tap on it. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So let me choose English. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, right here we've got the types of the keyboards from which we can choose. Of course, the number of them depend on the particular language, because sometimes you will have only one and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different keyboard layouts. So all you have to do is to mark the keyboard you'd like to use and then tap on done. Of course, you can use more than one keyboard layout. So right here we've got the languages. We've got English and Russian. Before I will remove the Russian, let me show you how to use the keyboard with two different languages added. So let's go back to the keyboard, and basically first of all we've got this language key, which will allow us to actually change the language. So the globe icon is responsible for that, and we've got also the spacebar, which is not empty. We will have the names of the languages which are currently displayed, so we can just tap on it and switch through the keyboards. Alright, so in order to remove the language, simply tap on this edit icon or settings icon, tap on the languages and do just the same operation I did before. So edit icon, mark the language, remove, and we've got only English left. And right now, of course, we do not have the globe icon, the spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.